नमस्कार भारतवासियों, आज हम महुआ की चर्चा करेंगे। इनको भी सुन लीजिए, बड़ा सही और सटीक बात बोले हैं। ये पश्चिम बंगाल से चुनकर आती है और बहुत ही तीखी आवाज़ में मोदी जी को कहा, सर सुन लीजिए मेरा भी बात। सर जो पिछले दशक में मेरा निलंबित कर दिया था, फिर महुआ पहुंच गया है। आप मेरा निलंबित करने के चलते आप 30 सांसदों को खो चुके हैं। सर सुन लीजिए, आपका परिवार खत्म हो चुका है। आप परिवार पड़ोसी को बनाना पड़ रहा है। उसमें नीतीश कुमार का नाम लिए, चंद्रबाबू नायडू का नाम लिए, और यहाँ तक बोलें कि सर सुन लीजिए, पॉलिटिक्स दो प्रकार का मशीन है, एक वॉशिंग मशीन है, एक थिप मशीन है। आप में बीजेपी में जो चला गया वो वॉशिंग मशीन हो गया सर, आपसे अलग हो गया, वो थिप मशीन हो गया सर। सुन लीजिए सर, उसका भाषण सुनिए, कितनी शानदार बात बोली है।
थे ना, इस बार तो जनता ने घुस-घुस के मार दिया। The treasury benches have always claimed that the opposition lacked in hard work and in merit. We are all part of a Parivarvad. We are dynasts. Whereas they are proud to be part of a meritocracy. They are proud to be part of a Modi ka parivar. How ironic is it today that 20 ministers in the union cabinet are dynasts? How ironic is it that the Honorable Prime Minister has to take to social media himself to tell people that no, it is not Modi ka parivar, it is NDA, the Nitish Naidu Dependent Alliance. In January, the Honorable Prime Minister consecrated the unfinished Ram Temple in Ayodhya. He said he was tasked with the divine duty of bringing Ram Lalla home. The Ram Mandir was going to ensure that not only would the BJP cross all the seats around Ayodhya, Basti, Sultanpur, Ambedkar Nagar, the BJP lost. ये तुम लोगों के नाम जपो में पहले सा आराम नहीं, ये तुम लोगों के नाम जपो में पहले सा आराम नहीं। जबरदस्ती के जय श्री राम में सब कुछ है पर राम नहीं। जबरदस्ती के जय श्री राम में सब कुछ है पर राम नहीं। Today in India, there are two types of leaders. Those of us who come via the voting machine, and then there are many who come via the washing machine. There are still people who say, wait, you don't know Modi ji. Wait 6 months and see. Temporary settlement of an existing trumped up CBI or ED case, and you can switch parties. But when you go back to the electorate will punish you. Most turncoats have been punished by the electorate. Also this time, India has very large, solid block components. The Congress has 100 seats. SP has 37 seats. Trinamool has 29 seats. DMK has 22 seats. NCP and UPTA have 17 seats. So this is not a ragtag bunch of members that you can lure away. This is a solid block. So yes, it's a question of time. But the question is not whether they will get 300. The question is when people will join us and we will cross 272. मेरा सीधा रिश्ता है। तुम कौन हो बे? तुम कौन हो बे? क्यों बतलाऊं तुमको कितना गहरा है? The Dalits, whom the BJP paid lip service to for so many years, realized that even the talk of 400 seats meant that Baba Sahib Ambedkar's constitution was in danger, and they deserted the party. The Marathas, whom the BJP coalition had tried so desperately to woo, realized that their promises were worth nothing. The BJP, and today they don't need you. That's the message they've given you during this election. ये देश ही अपना हासिल है जहां राम प्रसाद भी बिस्मिल है। मिट्टी को कैसे बांटोगे? सबका ही खून तो शामिल है। That's what they said. You can't divide us. You can't do it anymore. This new India, this new frame of reference is going to be very hard for a lot of interest groups. Perhaps the first casualty is the legacy media. The Godi meets the first casualty is the legacy media. The Godi media was its own worst victim. The brown-nosing TV anchors and online trolls lied, spread fake information, amplified the government's propaganda. So-called psephologists who actually had printing contracts from the government of India were on TV 24/7 acting like the election was a done deal. There was no need for voting. The BJP had already won. Media moguls organized conclaves where they prostrated themselves before the Vishwa Guru. Anchors used staged interviews and set up scripts. In short, the media had lost all credibility. So when you asked the people during surveys which way they voted, they didn't trust you and they didn't tell you the truth, which is why you got it wrong. Ram Kamal Jha, the editor of the Indian Express, remarked that some media, we wait and the people of India wait for the restoration of her honor and for the honor of her august office. It is in this hope that I bow my head to the holiest of our books in its 75th year of adoption. Hail the Constitution, Joy সংবিধাन. Thank you.
महुआ ने कहा कि आपको हिंदू, मुस्लिम, भैंस, मंगलसूत्र नाम लेने से छुट्टी नहीं मिल सकता, तो देश के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं। यहाँ तक कहा कि आप हिंदू मुस्लिम करते रहे हैं, मणिपुर को अभी तक नाम नहीं ले रहे हैं कि मणिपुर में क्या हो रहा है। जम्मू कश्मीर में आप बोले थे कि 370 हटा के चुनाव कराएंगे, अभी तक चुनाव नहीं कराए हैं, क्या करेगा, आगे क्या बोले हैं सुनिए।
Minister mentioned many words beginning with the letter M. Musalman, Mullah, Madrasa, Mughal, Mutton, Machli, Mujra, Mangalsutra, but not once did they mention Manipur. We don't need to act east. The government says we want to act east. We don't need you to act east. Look